Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me a product. This is a free product. This is a paid review. Let's get straight to it, shall you? It is a cigar lighter. Let's open this box. First, take a look at the packaging. It's a beautiful box. You know, if you're looking for a gift for a cigar smoker, it's a nice packaging. You wouldn't even have to wrap this. It's a beautiful blue box. Let's open it up. How cool is that lighter? How cool looking is that lighter? Very, very, very cool. Kind of a steampunk kind of deal. Steampunk lighter. It's got a really cool pattern here on the lighter itself. So let's take a look at this, shall we? On the bottom, we have a cigar punch, which is very nice. Let's, so all you would have to do is just punch this out on the bottom, like that. And also on the bottom is where you adjust your flame and where you charge it with butane. Now it does come with no butane, so you do have to buy butane at the hardware store. And let's see what else we got here. So this is your on-off switch. So if it's here, how cool is that? That is a really nice, very easy lighter. Very nice. So you can just toast that up, toast that end up. What a cool lighter. Go out and get yours today.